Yo, dog, you know, some people they are walking. Right now, I'm kind of pressing. I think I think about it. Some of them they have not come down here. Yeah, about that. What about kind of money? And this is money, brother. I'm on this. Oh, the boy, oh, the boy I want. I want this.
What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. You know, so they attacking boss. They are from NEWLINK production. NEWLINK. Well, my people, you see right about now, viewers and subscribers. I know so to watch out that little piece of skit thing the people are acting scene yet. And it is from people. A music video me I tell the viewers and subscribers from an artist who goes by the name of Dameek. And me I tell your viewers and subscribers, the title of this one name mean you no good. But before me say nothing more, my people, I want to check out the local pace of the thing of my viewers and subscribers. Watch out, my people.
Hey, it's Dameek. Them no mean you no good. No. Take out your heart and give them and them still want kill you.
Well, my viewers and subscribers, you hear what me a talk about quality with music. You hear what me a talk about the artist who ready for the road, my people. We are talking about Dameek. With this one again, name mean you no good. Because viewers and subscribers, in this one, you know, where the artists are tell about people, the man I make you know full force. Look, you know, a lot of friends who you have, you know, you understand, then we come around you, then we be around you, then we eat, then we drink with you, but deep inside people, them no want nothing good for you, you understand, and sometimes you just have to run a test run on them. Them ask you for 1,000, and you come say, boom, and give them 5 people, you understand, them smile, but watch people as you turn your back, is a different face them a give you, and this is what Dameek can make you know. So with this music video, me I tell the viewers and subscribers, it's a very good one. It's a very great one. And me I tell the people, the artist quality, everything, people, well up. And me I tell the viewers and subscribers, you see, this artist, why I really admire about him, people, the man just fluent in him thing, people. The man just natural in him thing, people. And the man make, you know, a positiveness the artist I pray. And that's why NEWLINK have said Dameek to the world. But when me I go to my viewers and subscribers, I going to leave all the link for Dameek. You understand? Whether you want to find the artist on Twitter, on Instagram, anywhere my viewers and subscribers. But most of all, when me want you do my viewers and subscribers, me want you get the link in the description and go watch the full music video. Me ask now, please people, and go over my journey media, because that's where the song uploaded, my people. And when you go over the people on it, please do subscribe and make the artist know. So look, you know, and NEWLINK send me over, which my viewers and subscribers always do, which I appreciate so much. So Dameek, people, with this one mean you no good. A road with some people, and all you have to do, people, is make it possible. Please subscribe to the YouTube thing over the people. Please follow them Instagram, everywhere, my people. The link all in the description, people. Mean you no good from Dameek. And me tell the people, him have a lot of different songs over there, so you will see other songs over there from the artists as well.
Why I get to you, the mood and want physical. Also me, I also just make me money tall. Every day I get up and me see mama a ball.
And follow the thing, people, because this is an artist who definitely need a spot in a Jamaican music thing. Dameek, meaning a good road to say, my Jamaican, full force, fully attack, out.